Have you ever wondered how to make spring rolls, just like your favorite Chinese restaurant? Today, I'm going to show you how to prepare the most delicious Chinese spring rolls, right in your own kitchen. In this video, you'll learn how to make authentic Chinese spring rolls in two versions, one with meat and one vegetarian, bringing the true flavors of Chinese cuisine straight to your home. With just a few simple ingredients and easy-to-follow steps, you'll be making spring rolls like a pro in no time. And stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing some extra tips that will take your rolls to the next level. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. 2.5 ounces of carrot, 3 ounces of Daikon Radish, 3 ounces of Chinese cabbage, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 ounces of soy sprouts, 1.5 ounces of rice noodles, half tablespoon of chili oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sweet black rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn oil, half teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. We'll start by placing the rice noodles in a bowl large enough to cover them completely. Add the water and let them soak for 15 minutes. Now we'll blanch the vegetables, starting with the Daikon Radish, which will need a few more seconds. Then we'll blanch the Chinese cabbage. And finally, the bean sprouts. We won't need more than 45 seconds. We can also do this step by sautéing them, but I prefer to eliminate the bitterness this way. Drain the vegetables, leaving them in a colander until they cool. Making a hole in the center will help dry them. We will also remove the water from the noodles and let them drain. If you can't find peppercorn oil, you can use a teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorn and fry it with a little vegetable oil for a few seconds. Strain the oil through a small sieve. And subscribe for more weekly tips and recipes of international cuisine. And it's ready. We'll use a large bowl to mix the ingredients for the vegetable roll. First, add the blanched vegetables. Then add the carrots. We'll also add half a teaspoon of salt. Mix well. And let it sit for a few minutes to release excess water. Drain the water. Now we can add the noodles. Add the sugar, chili oil, sesame oil, our peppercorn oil, soy sauce, and the sweet black rice vinegar. Stir well. And keep it aside for later. Let's go with the meat filling. 4 ounces of Chinese cabbage, half teaspoon of salt, 8 ounces of minced meat, 1 ounce green onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of chili oil, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sweet black rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, optional. Using another large bowl, add the cabbage. With half a teaspoon of salt. And mix. Let it sit for a few minutes to release excess water. Meanwhile, chop the meat. It's better to do it by hand. I'm going to use pork, but you can use beef or chicken as well. Using a pan, sauté the meat until well cooked. Drain the water. Add the meat. The chopped green onions. And to finish, minced garlics. Chili oil. Soy sauce. and the sweet black rice vinegar. I'm gonna add half teaspoon of white pepper also. Mix and reserve. Both fillings look delicious, right? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn how to make your own roll dough too. But today we'll use a pre-made one. I recommend this brand. Carefully separate the sheets. It's easier if you take them out of the refrigerator 10 minutes beforehand. Here's another trick. Use 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it with 2 tablespoons of water. Mix until you get a sticky paste, which we use to seal the rolls. Let's fill the rolls. Make sure you have everything at hand. We'll place the sheet diagonally with the tips facing you. We'll put a couple of tablespoons of filling on the bottom. We'll roll it up, applying a little pressure. We'll continue rolling until we reach the middle. Then we'll fold in the side tips. We'll continue rolling almost to the end. We'll apply a little glue. And finish rolling. The same process applies to vegetarians. Make sure there's enough dough left in the corners to make the dough sturdy. Continue until you think you have enough rolls. Another tip, you can never have too many. Time to fry. We'll use a temperature of 320 to 340 degrees Fahrenheit, or 160 degrees Celsius to 170 degrees Celsius. Cook for a couple of minutes, or until golden brown. Use a paper towel to remove excess oil. And it's done. Enjoy. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video and want more weekly recipes. Thanks for watching.